okay. Oh, okay.
There it is. I think, no. Where,
Okay.
where is it? All right, today we're gonna bring a CarPlay. If you guys can see, it's a very small CarPlay. It's a Type C, and they give you two types of cable: a Type C to Type C and a Type C to Type A. Now we're gonna set it up in our system. We don't have anything here, and this is available for their CarPlay. So we're gonna set it up and see how it works. All right, in order to set it up, you're gonna need your phone. You're gonna need the CarPlay system, and here we are plugging it in. All right, so right now, automatically detected. We're gonna hit continue. And then we're going to agree to the terms, and then the system's going to start up automatically. Bluetooth and everything's going to be enabled through the actual system. The drive, you're going to need your phone to synchronize it. Smart box dash, go ahead, click on it. We're going to sync it up. All right, once you set it up, you're going to have all this connected. You're going to have your map, which we're going to blank it out, guys. It tells you how much percentage you have on your phone and other apps. But the best thing about it, you can play your Netflix, your Amazon, pretty much anything through the same things you can do on your Apple phone or Droid, you can do here. But very simple to install and play your music, check your messages from here, and so forth. As you're using your phone, answer your phone from the actual car, and do all that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.